Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to save your Instagram draft reels to your gallery. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. So the first thing we're going to do is head on over to our Instagram application. To view your drafts, you simply tap on the plus icon that appears on the bottom at your navigation bar. Now on the top of your screen, you'll be able to see the drafts option. Go ahead and tap on it. Select the draft that you'd like to save and tap on edit. On doing so, you'll be directed to the video editor interface, and if you tap on the back button on your screen, you'll be able to see this interface. On this interface, on the top right corner, there is a save icon. If you tap on it, this video will be saved to your gallery. So if you go ahead and open your gallery, you'll be able to see that this draft has been saved to my gallery. And this is how you can save Instagram draft reels to your gallery. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.